And honestly, like if you're a senior um watching our podcast, like I feel like it is so important to give your team a space to actually feel comfortable asking questions, because the other day I was literally digging so deep into this concept for our new release for 23C. And David, after some time, he messages me and he's like, and you know what? If you don't understand something that I've messaged you or we discussed and you just don't understand it yet, please let me know so that I can clarify. And I appreciated that so much, because sometimes you just feel so bad asking them so many questions and just feeling like you're kind of like not getting it, you're a little slower or whatever, you know. So it's nice to have that safe environment where you can ask questions without feeling like you're bothering someone, you know?
Yeah. That's like something Jeff has been very good about being my manager is like he always answers my questions, even if I just like come out of like left field with them. And even when I'm like not asking questions, I feel like he's good about I like that he also throws in his like 2 cents, like even unprompted by me, because
Mm-hmm.
I think like a good manager also tries to predict the areas that you don't know, because those are like the most important ones. Is if you
Exactly.
know you don't know something, like you're already working to get to know it, but there
Mm-hmm.
might be like some super important stuff that like you don't even know to ask a question because like you don't even know that there's something you have to worry about over in that sphere.